In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a discount code in your Booksy Biz Pro account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a brand new promotional tool to help boost your bookings and incentivize client loyalty. And the best part, it's more straightforward than you might think. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Booksy Biz Pro account. You might already have the app open on your device, or perhaps you'll start from scratch on the website. Either way, head to the login page and enter your credentials carefully. Remember, maintaining regular practice and managing your Booksy account will help you better utilize all its features seamlessly. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the marketing section. This is the hub for promoting your business and connecting more effectively with both new and current clients. When you're there, click on the Promotions tab. This will take you to the central area where all your promotions live, and it's a great place to get inspired about what kinds of offers might catch your clients' eyes. Next, you'll see an option to add promotion. Click on this, and from the drop-down, choose Discount Code. This is your gateway to providing valuable incentives that can help drive more traffic to your bookings and encourage clients to take timely action. Now you get to be creative and specific about what your discount code represents. You'll need to fill out all the required details. Start with the name of your promotion. This should be something catchy yet straightforward, so your clients understand immediately what they're getting. Once you've settled on a name, select the type of discount. Do you want to offer a percentage off, or are you more interested in giving a fixed amount discount? Think about what aligns best with your business goals and clientele. The value of the discount is next on the list. This is where you decide how much of a reduction your clients will receive. Couple that number thoughtfully with the services this discount applies to. Maybe it's specific to a new service you've introduced, or perhaps it's a way to encourage repeat bookings on a seasonal favorite. Choosing services wisely can drive targeted results that make this promotion even more effective. And, naturally, you'll need to define the duration of your promotion. A sense of urgency can spur action, so consider your promotional timeline carefully. Do you want a short, impactful burst of incentive or something more long-term to test results? When you're satisfied with all the details, simply click Save. You've successfully created a discount code to enhance your marketing toolkit. Keep an eye on how this new promotion performs, and don't hesitate to adjust future codes based on client feedback and results. Thanks for joining me, and happy promoting.